I will show you how to change personal vehicle in GTA 5 online. Open your GTA 5. Press M on your keyboard. Find Manage Vehicles. Then request Personal Vehicles. If you want to change personal vehicles, you have to go to your garage. Once you are in the garage, select one vehicle you want to change. You have to step away from the vehicle to be able to request personal vehicles. After that, press M again. Click Manage Vehicles. Then Request Personal Vehicles. Congratulations! You have changed your personal vehicle.
Thanks you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure you hit subscribe button.